Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on matrices and I'm trying to focus on adding, subtracting, and multiplying. In this video I'm specifically focusing on the addition subtraction side and multiplying by a scalar. Multiplying by a scalar means I'm multiplying by a single number outside the matrix into all of the elements in the matrix. Now, before I multiply anything into a matrix, if I have a scalar as well as adding and subtracting, I'm first going to make sure I can add and subtract, because if the matrices don't have the same dimensions and they can't be added and subtracted, why do all the work of the scalar multiplication? So in this bottom problem, I have a 3 by 3 matrix. That means there's 3 rows, 3 columns. Here I have a 2 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3, 2 by 3. They are not the same. There's a dimensional mismatch. They cannot actually be added, so I'm not even going to worry about multiplying through. So we're going to get rid of this one. And then I'm going to do the top one, which absolutely can be done. So I'm going to take the -5 in the first one, multiply it in, the -9 in the second one and multiply it in, and then I'm going to add the resulting matrices. I don't like subtracting matrices because there's a lot of numbers being subtracted and a lot of times mistakes are made where minus a negative doesn't become a positive, or by the end you forget you're subtracting and you just start adding anyway. There's all these different things that happen with matrices, so if you just multiply that negative in, then all you have to worry about is adding, and the addition subtraction part of it becomes simpler. So if I multiply the -5 in, this -5 is going to multiply all 6 elements. So -5 times 1 is 5. -5 times 2 is a -10. -5 times 0. -5 times 10. 60 and -30. Like I said, I'm going to turn this into a plus and multiply the -9 in, so I'm not subtracting. So I have a -9, 0, -9, and in the bottom I have a 72, a -36, and a -54. When I add these two together, I add element by element, which means the first element in the first row gets added to the first element in the first row, yielding a -4. Second element, -10, third element, -9. Then I go to the second row. -50 plus 72 is 22. 60 plus -36 is 24. And -30 plus -54 is -84. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!